Hey, what's happening, guys? This is Jaro with Volt Life for Grooming, and I hope you're all staying warm like I am today. Today is a absolutely gorgeous day. It doesn't seem like it's in November, especially here in the Black Hills. Today I'm going to talk to you about brushing your beard and using the correct brush. And I know we already had a bunch of videos on what type of brushes or combs you should be using, but we never talk about whether you should use flat brush or round brush, and what does each brush do to your beard, and which one you should go for. And as you know, brushing your beard is super important because it maintains the healthy beard and also healthy skin. It promotes healthy growth of your beard, and of course, also it affects your styling, putting in your styling or grooming products in your beard and keeping overall your beard super clean. So let's talk about these two brushes, the difference between these two, and which one you should go for. Alright, so like I said before, there are essentially two types of brushes, flat brush and round brush, and there is a difference between these two, and I'm going to start talking about the flat brush first. To start with, I recommend using the flat brushes for anything from a stubble or very short beard all the way to like 2 to 3 inch long beard, and that is because the flat brushes typically come with high density bristles. So in other words, there's a lot of bristles on it which can grab effectively that short hair and allow you to style it. Also, I like these brushes because they are flat. Obviously the name flat brushes, and that's really important again when styling a short beard, because you want to have a flat brush with bunch of bristles working that short hair at the same time. And lastly, I like bristles that are medium stiff. They're not too soft or not too hard. If you're working with too hard bristles or too stiff bristles, you can actually damage your skin rather than exfoliating it. And if you work with too soft bristles, they will not do anything. It's gonna be really hard to style that short hair. Alright, the next thing to look at when you're looking for a flat brush is the size of the bristles. I like to use at least 3/4 inch bristles, which is right here. I love this size because this way I can brush a really short beard, but also I can brush a beard that's like I said before, 2 to 3 inches long, and the bristles are reaching all the way down to exfoliate my skin, and they're grabbing all the hair. If the bristles were too short, they would naturally become a lot stiffer and it would be hard to brush a little bit longer beard. And if the bristles are too long, then they're not working as effectively because they kind of start like the broom, they start bending, and they don't style your beard as effectively as kind of that medium size that is on this Volt Octo brush. And lastly, you don't really need huge brush to brush your beard. I mean, that's an overkill. I really don't like the big brushes. I like something that's kind of like a medium size. I also don't like the small brushes where you just, brushing like a toothbrush. You're brushing just a little part of your beard and it's just gonna take forever. This one is a good size to me because I can really lay down flat and I can grab most of the hair on my cheek, on my side of the face, and brush it and style it. Also, this type of this size allows me to travel really easily with this brush, which is really important. I always carry my brush with me. With this size, I can just easily really slip it into my pocket and use it whenever I need to. Alright, so now let's talk about the round brushes. And I find round brushes really versatile. They can do so many different things. So apart from the regular brushing and styling of your beard and hair, don't forget these can be also used on your hair. You can use them for detangling. So some of you guys with the longer beards, this is going to be a very helpful tool to detangle your hair. Also with these, you can get underneath your chin and start kind of twisting it like this, which allows you to get some of that hair that's laying flat down here and get some volume, shape, and body to your beard. And lastly, obviously, because you can twist it and use it right here on your mustache, you can do some really cool curls and twisting and shaping of your mustache. Round brushes are not exclusive to your beard only. You can also use them on your hair, which makes them really useful. So with that said, you can probably see that round brushes are going to be more effective on longer hair. So if your hair and beard are over 2 inches, this is definitely the tool you want to use. Alright, so let's talk about the type of bristles you want to get with your round brush. I like the round brushes that come with two different types of bristles, with the nylon bristles and the boar bristles. And each one has a different function. So the nylon brushes are super useful when you are doing styling and grooming and detangling of your beard and hair. And also if you're doing any of the volume, adding volume to your beard, pulling out the hair from underneath and lifting it up. And when you're grooming your handlebar mustache, it comes very useful because you can use that twisting or curling motion. On the other hand, this the boar bristles, I like with the flat brush, I like to use the medium stiff boar bristles. They allow you to spread or get products inside of your beard, exfoliate that skin, and get anything out of your beard. So in the end, it is completely up to you what type of brush are you going to get, whether it's going to be a flat brush or round brush. You can go with one brush that's going to do it all, or you can go with multiple brushes and use them on different occasions. In my experience, you've got to look at the three different aspects. The number one aspect is the length of your beard. Number two is the type of styling or grooming you're engaging on an everyday basis. And number three is how much are you traveling? Do you need something that's small, portable, or do you need something that's a little bit bigger because you don't travel so much? All right, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you don't want to miss the next video coming out from me or one of my teammates, please subscribe to our channel down below. And you can also visit boltgrooming.com. We've got a bunch of specials going on every single day, and you can sign up to a newsletter, which we won't spam you. We'll just send you, grooming tips, new product announcements, product specials, and all kinds of cool stuff regarding men's grooming. And I will see you next time.